What's going on, guys? Your boy Amatic here, back with another video, and I'm going to do a tutorial on how to take a rear deck out of a 1994 Toyota Corolla or Terracell, whatever you got. The first step is to get the back seat out, so we're going to uplift on the passenger side, and then we're going to uplift the back seat on the driver's side, and it just pops up easily, just a little bit of muscle, and it'll come right out. That's the first step for you there. So we got the rear seat out. The next step is to get the back panel out, or the back seat out. So you got 3 bolts. I only got 2. There's a second one, but you got 3 of those. You just take those out, and then right here you can see you just pop the seat over the hooks that are gonna be behind the seats, and you just gotta lift it up, and then the back seat will come right out once you do that. And I'll showcase also what the hooks I'm talking about. So the hooks, see, these are the hooks on the back, and then it comes right out of those sections there. So now the next step is to get the rear third brake light off. So what I did was, to remove this whole piece here, was I just hit this middle piece here with a Phillips head screwdriver, and once you click into it, it'll pop out, and then you can just pull it right out, and you'll be good, and then you'll have this rear piece right off. Next thing I'm gonna do is take these bolts off, and then this whole piece should definitely come right off, and then that's the next step for you. So now I got this brake light off, and now we're just gonna unclip the light, and then that'll be the final step, just to get this thing off, this rear deck off.
Man. You cleaned it up pretty good.
So basically, guys, we have 3 clips here that come off
of
these 3 holes, and then you don't have to take this part off. We'll see when I put it back in, but the piece was able to slide in. But as you can see, these are my rear speakers blown out, and we'll be replacing these bad boys. So check you that after that.
Dude, let's sit on the couch and let's watch a movie. Corolla in effect, baby. Corolla in effect.
Sometimes you gotta make some edits, guys. Do what you gotta do to make a speaker fit. Alright, guys, here's the finished product. Got the rear panel back in place. I managed to get it back in. You didn't have to take out the panels here at all. But yeah, I got everything back in place. Got the seats and everything back in. Got the new speakers in there too, pumping away. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I of course was learning along the way myself, so I definitely didn't know how to work on a base model. I was just seeing like newer models where they had like both like panels. They had to take out the seats, the pieces of the seats from like right there in the corners, and then they could put the seat down and all that. So mine was a little different, so I thought I would record and show you guys, just in case anyone out there needed some help. So if you guys have any questions, of course, drop it in the comment section, and of course, get to pumping away any music. All right, be safe out there. Peace.